Hi friends, this is Ray from Honey Top Bees. I think you're going to enjoy today's video. I know I enjoyed videoing it because there's a couple surprises that happened along the way. It's a little bit of an emotional roller coaster. I had this little disappointment with one of my hives that I thought had gotten robbed out. Then I had a couple setbacks. Through it all, as you saw in the title, somehow the queen survived this whole robbing situation, and so I was able to finally rescue her.
Coming up.
The queen is still in here. I'm going to go into a hive that I think got robbed out over the last couple of days. Not exactly sure when, but I'm pretty sure it happened. We're going to check it out. So I'll give you just a brief history of this hive. In the spring, this hive was super strong and they got super aggressive. I don't really know why, but they were chasing me around the yard. My wife, it was really a pain. We couldn't get anywhere within 50 yards of this hive. And so I took the queen out and was going to requeen it. It took me 3 times to requeen this hive, but just about a month ago, I successfully saw a new queen in there, found her, I marked her, she was laying, there's some brood in here. The hive had gotten somewhat weakened through all the requeening attempts, but it was still rather strong. But I'm pretty sure this hive got robbed out a couple days ago, and but I'm going to open it up and check it out. And put my hat on in case I'm wrong and it's not been robbed out. Yeah. Oh, how sad. We'll take a look at it together. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. There's a few bees in here. Yeah, there's no honey in here. When I look on the bottom, I'll show you in a second. Oh, the queen is still in here. Oh my goodness. All right, well, let me show you. There she is. I marked her. See her? She's still in here. She's still laying eggs. Oh, wax moth. There's a wax moth running around. Right there. Well, now I've got to figure out what am I going to do with this queen. There's no bees in here, but the queen is still alive. And look at the hive beetles in this hive. This hive is slowly being taken over by, oh my goodness. I have never had an infestation of hive beetles like that. I don't know if you can see it in the light. Let me move this. All right, is that better? Look at the infestation of hive beetles. Guess it would help if I showed you what I'm looking at here. Yeah, there's no honey in here, but I've got a queen in here. I can't believe the queen survived. Now I'm going to show you the bottom. This is how you can know your hive has been robbed out. Look, it's just hundreds of dead bees down here and wax. So there's no bees in here. That's the crazy thing. The only bee in here, except for a couple of random drones and about 1,000 hive beetles, that survived was the queen. There's no honey in here. This hive has been completely gutted out from front to back. I've got a nice viable queen. She's young. I mean, she's only like a month old. I'm not too worried about saving that, I'm not going to try to save the hive. This top bar hive is really just for fun. I keep all Langstroth hives. This is just for fun in memory of my dad who made it, but yeah, there's nothing in here. The only bee that survived, except for maybe, I don't know if these are workers or robbers at this point. They're probably robbers. The only bee that survived is the queen and this roach. Look at that massive roach. This just happened a couple of days ago. There's already wax moths moving in. I gotta find the queen again. She might have decided to head out of here as well. All right, well, this hive is definitely done for, but I gotta find her. Where did she go? Oh gosh, tell me I lost her. All right, well, that was a mistake on my part. I should have caged her right away, because now she's not in here. Oh, I can't believe I was so stupid as to not grab her. I don't really have a use for her, but also don't see any reason with wasting a nice, beautiful young queen. I'm gonna have to go back and watch the video and see if I can see where the queen went. Oh my goodness. This is going from bad to worse here because I was depressed. This is like an emotional roller coaster here. I was depressed because I lost a hive that got robbed out. And I was happy because, oh, there's my queen. There she is, right there. Stay right there for a minute there, little girl. Let me get my cage. She has been injured. She only has one. She's missing a wing. Little tip for people that are like me. Close the bottom of the queen cage before you try to put the queen in it. Gosh, I'm having a hard day today. Now I know she's gone in here. There she is. Right there. I've got the queen, and I finally got a cap for it. I'll have to look at the video actually myself to see a little close up whether or not she's been injured in this rob out. And I have a hive that I think is queenless. I've been waiting for the queen to come back from her mating flight. I don't know if it's ever happened. But I've got to put on my full suit, put her in there and see how they react to her. And we will take it from there. It's pretty amazing. Only the queen survived the rob out. She's the only queen, the only bee that was left inside of this hive. All right, I have a hive that may be queenless. I'm actually not sure. I'm going to check again today. I've been waiting for this queen to come back mated. Well, let's see what I'm going to do here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check and see if this hive is queenless. This was a swarm. I've been trying to get this hive queen right since I captured the swarm. The queen that was with the swarm left. But most of the bees stayed. Let's see what we got in here. So they might be ready for a queen. So I'm just going to take a good look for her. Okay. All right, so those of you that are good at reading this behavior probably can have some comments. There's such a fine line between looking at the bees rejoicing because they have a queen and the bees not taking to her. It's a little difficult to read. This definitely, to me, looks positive. Like the bees are very interested in her. I'm gonna leave this in here for a couple of days, leave her inside of the cage, and we will see what happens. Just slide her right down inside of here. Take this feeder out. All right, I'm gonna just leave her there for a couple of days, let them get used to her, and then I will let her out. Probably, let's see, this is Saturday, so probably Monday or Tuesday, I will let her out. All right, so there's a little bit of an adventure. I started with a robbed out hive. The queen survived. Even though she's injured and she has one wing that looks like it's damaged, a lot of beekeepers will even clip one wing on the queen anyway, so I don't really think that's gonna be an issue for her. She looked strong otherwise. So now we've got her inside of this hive. We'll see what happens. We'll take it from there. Hey, thanks for joining me today. Appreciate you coming along for the ride. If you have any comments, suggestions, put them down below in the comments section. Love to hear your thoughts. I hope you hit like and subscribe and continue to join me on the journey of beekeeping. Take care. This is Ray.